Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have or if your iPhone screen looks yellow or warm, especially at nights or on a schedule, night shift is turned on. So if iPhone or in iPhone settings 2026, you can turn it off instantly to restore normal color balance. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn off night shifts on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, I want you to go to settings. Okay, this is where display features are managed. Okay, so now scroll down and tap display and brightness. This section controls color, temperature and brightness. Okay, so now I want you to tap night shift. You will see its controls. Okay, so toggle night shift to off if it's on already. Okay, so we have here scheduled, we have here from to. So okay, your screen color will return to normal immediately. So if night shift keeps turning back on, turn off this one. This stops automatic activation at night. Check color temperature slider. So this is optional. Okay, so if you plan to keep night shift off, ignore the color temperature slider. Screen will stay at standard white balance. Okay, you can also disable it quickly. Swipe down to open the control center. Long press brightness and tap night shift to turn it off. Okay. So this is the fastest method. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.